Hi guys, this is Sadik from Droidwin.com, and in this video, we'll show you how to skip the setup screen on your Android phone. So when you first flash a ROM or do a factory reset, you are taken to the setup screen. But if that setup screen is not working along the expected lines, then you will not be able to access the OS. For example, I have just flashed a custom ROM, and as you could see, I have just booted to the OS. It's the setup screen, but I cannot access or do anything in the setup screen, and until and unless I bypass the screen, I will not be able to access the OS or do anything whatsoever, as you could see over here. So I cannot accept the terms and condition or carry out any task whatsoever. It's just the setup screen is not working along the expected lines. So if that is happening with you as well, so in that case you could easily skip this screen. I'll show you how that could be done. So first and foremost, you will have to get hold of the Android SDK platform tools. So get it from my guide and extract them onto your PC. You may extract them anywhere you want. In my case, I've done so in C drive, and these are the files of platform tools. Now you have to open a CMD window over here as well. So copy the path of platform tools from here and then open CMD window. Now type in cd space paste the path of platform tools, hit enter. You are now inside the platform tools directory. Now what you have to do is simply copy paste these two commands in the CMD window. But before that, you will have to unplug and replug the phone to the PC. This is because as of now the USB debugging is not enabled, and you are not in a position to enable it because you cannot access the OS. You cannot tap on build number 7 times to enable the USB debugging. So for that, you just have to unplug the phone and replug it back in, and with this the debugging is now enabled. It's quite a handy workaround which I just now got to know. Simply unplug the phone and then replug it back in. Once that is done, you can now simply use both the commands. So let's copy the first command, paste it in the CMD window, hit enter. Now copy the second command as well, paste it in the CMD window and hit enter again. And after that, you could see we are now inside the OS. So what actually happened was we were able to bypass the setup screen on our phone, and now we could access the OS and carry out the required task. For example, whatever you want, you may now do so with ease without any issue whatsoever. Let me first change the language to English, and now you could see I could now easily get the job done, install any module or use the phone normally as well. So guys, you just have to make one thing sure, that you have to unplug and replug the phone back to the PC. If you don't do so, then the debugging will not be enabled and you will not be able to use the command. So please do that, and after that simply open the CMD window inside the platform tools folder and use these two commands. And after that, your task stands complete. On some old Android phone, you might have to use a third command as well. If the first two command did not get the job done, then use this command as well, and then you will be inside the OS. So guys, on that note, I round up this video. If you have any query with regard to any of the steps, do let me know in the comment section, and thanks a lot for watching.